Watch. Here, you hold this. Watch out, he's gonna come right up to you and try to steal it out of your hand, bro. Record daddy. Look, guys.
How about protect me from the mosquitoes? And I'll give you a piece of bread.
No, they're gonna go for you because you're so small.
Please, duckies. Fine, I'll give you a piece. No duckies, no more.
There's Faith. About to get attacked. Don't hiss at me. We boys. Okay. Oh, Faith's got the little ducklings coming out. Check this out. The baby ducks are with her too. Okay, Joe,
Hey,
here,
baby.
record this. Dad's going to get as close as he can without getting attacked, hopefully.
Okay. Me too, actually. I want to try feeding him.
Go ahead. Here, watch out. This guy here, he's fat. Hold on. He's drooling from the mouth, too. Fuck. Watch out for this one. He looks violent AF. Hey? Nice. Yeah, I feel like we're about to get fucking attacked, man.
Joe, come this way.
Joe, you don't want to be boxed in by them. You got a little piece of bread and you're like mini wheats. This is a taste of Leduc. Whole wheat, no frills.
Oh my god, that one's drooling.
$1.47. This one here, I'm going to call him Goose from Franklin. See? They'll eat out of your hands, but I also don't feel like getting bit by a goose, so.
It's following me.
Look, this is Mom and Dad right here. I had one of these babies come right up to me the other day. Had pictures with him.
One for you now.
And this is Geese with Meece. Oh,
One for you, little
I'm just kidding. I still got this big bread here. I'm going to try giving somebody the Hail Mary. Hopefully not lose my finger here. Nicely, buddy. Nicely. Nicely. Fuck, this guy's... Oh, he fucking got it out of my hand. Oh, you sick bastards. Joe, watch out. This one's fucking drooling next to you. Oh, this one's trying to cut me off, man. That one ate out of my hands, babe. Watch the fingers or you'll be leaving without them. No?
Slowly walk away.
Here, Joe. Look. Nice. I like this one. He's nice. This is the fat one that drools, man. That straight looks like a rape fucking duck. Here, bud. Look. Woohoo! Ah! Come on, you guys. Let's give the baby some more.
They all hurt.
We got.
Someone caught it out of my hand.
Did he?
Yeah.
This is fucking wicked, man. I've never had little. These are my little geesies. This guy here, he's one that eats out of my hand. No?
Here, one for you too.
Maybe not. Who wants this one? Look. I'm nice, you guys. Come here. Holy fuck, they always jump at the end. That's what scares me. I bet you they're teethless, but they probably hurt like when the girl fucking sneezes in the beak session, you know? Damn near chew it off. If you know what I'm saying. Okay. We're gonna play catch, me and this guy. I'm Michael Owen, and we have here a Canadian goose, mate. in their natural habitat. He's hissing and he's mad, he's angry. He don't understand. I'm a friend of the goose. Come here, bite. Oh shit, he ripped down my hand. Fuck. Okay, boys, we all friends here. We all friends here.